Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today we are going to discuss a milling contour program G41 tool compensation left. Means in the whole program this tool is compensated to the left side of the contour. If you see here, this is our programmed path and this is center line of the tool. So tool is completely compensated to the left side of the contour. If you want to finish this profile, this should be, if this is the programmed path, the tool will be shifted to the left side. So here this dotted line, this shows center line of the tool here, and this is our programmed path, this firm line, and this profile is given here. And if you see, this is top view. We are seeing here, this is top view and this is side view. In side view, this is material, and here this is a safety plane Z5. So when tool moves in rapid motion from Z100 to Z5 up to Z5, it comes in rapid movement, and after that it takes cutting feed in the material. So if you start, if you see here, this is program. These are all sequence numbers N1, N2, N3, and this O 2000 means O is for program number, 2000 is program number, and O indicates number of the program. So if you see N01, this line number 1, G90. G90 means the program is in absolute mode. G54 is work offset, means this datum we have set here, X0, Y0, this is datum of the part datum. Okay. Then G21 means all the dimensions are in millimeters. Now N02, G17 means this program is in XY plane. This is our XY plane. This direction is X and vertical direction is Y. So this is XY plane, and we have called this T01, tool number 1. M06 means manual change. So we have called this tool T01. This is our T01, tool number 1. Okay. So here N03, S1000 means RPM, speed of the, this is 1000 RPM. M03 means spindle on clockwise. M08 is coolant on. So in next line, if you see here N04, G0 Z100. First of all, this tool is brought at a height of 100 mm. Here if you see Z100, at Z100, then N05, if you see here G0 Z5, then tool comes down up to Z5 height rapidly. In the rapid move, it comes up to this height, Z5. In the next line, if you see N06, G0 X minus 15, Y minus 15. So from this, if you see, this is our 0 point, X0, Y0, and this initial position start point of the tool is at a point of X minus 15 and Y minus 15. This is our start position of the tool, X minus 15, Y minus 15. Okay. Then in next line, G01, Z minus 1. Z minus 1 means it takes this depth up to minus 0.1 up to minus 1 millimeter in the material. So it takes depth, but it is outside of the job, outside of the material. Somewhere at this point, it takes this depth, minus 1. In next line, if you see N08, G41. G41 means compensation left. So tool will move left of the contour x0 y0. x0 y0 is our this point. So it will take the path exactly uh, in left side of the contour like this. It will take this path G41 x0 y0 f100. f100 means the feed is 100 mm per minute. Okay. Now next line, if you see G09 y40, then this cutting the material up to in y direction up to 40 mm. So y is 40 up to 40 mm. Then in next line, if you see and 10 x30 y80, x30 y80, this is the point. The coordinate of this point are in x direction it is 30 and in y direction it is 40 plus 40, it is 80. So x30 y80. So this will make a chamfer here like this, and it will come, tool will come up to this point. In next line, if you see, then N11 x60. So it will come in x direction, it will come up to 60 mm dimension. This 30 plus 30, it is 60 at this point. Straight way in linear cutting, it will come up to this point because G01 is linear cutting. Okay. Now this arc starts now here. So this arc, because this arc is clockwise. So if you see here, G02 in N12 number, G02 means cutting in clockwise direction, and X100 Y40, this is the final destination of the tool, X100 Y40. So this is Y40 at this point, it is Y40, X is 100, X 70 plus 30, it is 100. In X direction, it is absolute dimension, it is 100 dimension, and Y direction, it is 40. If you see here, so it comes Y40. So this is our point, final point, Y40, R40. R40 means radius is also 40, this 40 radius. Okay, because this height, total height is 40 plus 40, 80, 80 minus 40, so this becomes, y coordinate becomes 40 here. Okay, so in next line, if you see here, x60, sorry, then G01 y30, y30 means, so it will come here, straight 10 mm more straight cutting. So this will come up to 30 because in y direction this point is at 30. Okay, it will come up to this point now. Then again in next line, G03, G03 means it is anti-clockwise cutting now. This is anti-clockwise, and final destination is anti-clockwise cutting. Final is x70 y0. So this point is x70 and y0, and r30, r is 30, this radius is 30. So this will come up to this point. Now in next line, if you see G40 x0, so it will come up to x0, and G40 means cutter compensation is cancelled now. So it will come up to this point, and then in next line it is G0 x minus 15 y minus 15. It will come to the initial point like this. From here, from 0 0, it will come to x minus 15 here and y minus 15. In next line, G0 Z100, again tool will go up to this 100 mm height, and then M30. M30 means program stop. So this way we can create this tool path with tool compensation left side. So tool is completely in all the profile, tool is completely on the left side. Here, this is the dotted line is the path. So this way we have finished this program. Thank you for watching. We will see you in next video. Thanks.